Good morning! Today I wanted to show you a really fun project that is fun to do over the summer. I wanted to try with ice, and these are Colourcraft Procyon dyes. So what I've done is I have pre-soaked my fabric in the Colourcraft Fixer solution, which is a soda ash solution that makes the dye stick to the fabric. And then I crinkled it up onto these crates so that the color runs through. Laid ice on top. And then on this one I have sprinkled these colors because I want to see how they are when they mix, since those are pretty much basic colors, although I threw a little bit of olive green on there as well. And this one I've done with colors that are pre-mixed, so red, violet, purple, black, and olive green are all colors that aren't pure, so you can already see with the powder that they split into colors. So I sprinkled my colors a little bit on randomly. On this one I overlapped. I wanted mostly sort of blues and greens, so I put yellow on first and then added the blues on top, so hopefully we'll get some nice green shades. And then basically all I have to do is wait for the ice to melt, so we'll keep checking in on it and see how it goes for the rest of the day. So now you can see most of the dye or the ice has melted, and you can see here on the one that had mostly blues and yellows that there's quite a bit of green and so on. And then here where there was lots of black and other colors, well, it's hard to tell exactly what we'll get until we rinse it out. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wrap them up in plastic and let them sit out for a while longer so that the dye really has a chance to interact with the soda ash that the fabric was soaked in. And of course what we've all been waiting for, the finished results with Colourcraft's fabulous Procyon dyes. Look at that beautiful red color that I got from the violet, and this is the one that was blue and green. There's a few specks of things that was a bit of cross-contamination, but I can see lots of possibilities of what we can do with these fabrics. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and we'll see you again next time.